Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today is a haul video. I'm going to show you a few things I picked up at Aldi, candles, and one thing I picked up at Kroger, and then what I got on Black Friday, which I only purchased basically from two places on Black Friday. I did Ipsy, and I ordered the Ciate London mystery box, which hasn't even shipped yet. I have no idea when it'll be here. Okay, sorry guys, my husband was texting me. Now, let's get in with this video. Like I said, I picked up something at, I picked up some candles from Aldi, and I picked up something at Kroger, and I have a box from Ipsy. We're going to start with the candles, because I'm right here. Got my Aldi bag. And once I show you these, I'm going to put them right back in the bag so I can take them in the other room. These are big. Well, some are. Let me get everything out here. Now, they had these little tin candles. I haven't taken them apart. I don't think I will. I haven't smelled. They have a little place where you can touch and smell. This one is Let It Snow, and according to the tag, is it the tag or the back or somewhere I saw, this can be like an ornament. I think just maybe the little sleigh underneath, the little wind sleigh. But I've got Let It Snow, Around the Tree. These look cute. Let me smell this. I can't really smell anything. These are all bought without smelling. And Deck the Halls. This one became untied because we were doing self-checkout and my husband goes, the barcode's on the bottom, but the barcode's on the tag. So we found that out after I was taking it apart. But yeah, let me see if I can't really smell them from the thing. So anyway, I got, those are the 3 scents I saw. I didn't see any other scents. I don't know. Maybe they're doing things in threes now. Because the next 3 candles I got, these were the only scents I saw. And these were a higher price point. These were $8.99. Usually their bigger candles are $6.99. But these, now this is even bigger. This is a big candle. This is 15 ounces. I'm not sure how big Bath & Body Works is. I don't have a Bath & Body Works candle right now to compare it to, but I got ginger snap cookie. Look at the lid. And the lid is wooden. It's a wooden lid. And from what I can tell, I think it is colored glass, not painted glass. This smells so yummy. And let's see, does this one have notes? No, it doesn't. It just says ginger snap cookie. And that's, oh, it smells yummy. And then I got peppermint, and it's got the peppermint candies on top. This smells like a really good peppermint. I didn't smell these in stores. I was just grabbing them. And it just says peppermint on the bottom. And like I said, I don't think this is painted glass. I think these are actually colored glass. Might be why they cost more. And then I got Alpine Forest. These suckers are heavy. These candles are heavy. Oh, these smell so yummy. Yeah, no other notes. They smell very strong, which I'm hoping they'll burn and smell very strong. But yeah, I think I am done buying Christmas candles. I don't think, of all the Christmas candles I have purchased, I don't think I can burn them all this year. So some of these will be held over till next year. The only way I think I'll buy any candles the rest of Christmas is if one, they're not Christmas themed and then I can burn them later, and 2, if they're just really cool, you know me. I'm gonna put these up now. Okay, they still had the big silver Christmas trees. I did buy one of those. You'll see it in my empty soon. I have finished burning it. It'll be in my December empties. And they had the big ball ornament, which I didn't buy one of those this year. I have the leftover jar from one from a few years ago. Whoops. So I didn't bother buying that. Now, the only thing I bought at Kroger is I went ahead and bought a foundation. This one is Revlon Color Stay. Usually when I'm at Kroger and I'm grocery shopping and I'm usually with my husband, he likes to push the buggy. That's his job at the grocery store. No, he does. I don't like driving in Columbia. And to get to Kroger, it's in Columbia. So he drives us over to Columbia. I'll go to the Piggly Wiggly and I'll go to the Food Line and the IGA, which I don't go to IGA, but it's there if I need to. It's all right here. But yeah, to get to Kroger and Aldi, gotta go to Columbia. Anyway, I used to wear this foundation. I swear I think the bottles are smaller. Do you guys think so? This says it's 1 fluid ounce. Maybe it's not. I think it is. But yeah, I decided to just go ahead and pick this up and use this. I got 220 natural beige. That's about my range when I'm buying foundations. So I think that one will match fine. So I got that. Now I got this box from Ipsy. Well, I haven't even opened it. This little iced open here. Okay. My husband's still texting me, sorry. He's at Books A Million. My son had to go see a movie. He's killing time at Books A Million, and he's sending me pictures of magazines he thinks I like. Isn't that a great husband? Ooh, okay. Here we go. Look, I got a box of goodies. So, I'm going to take some things out here. I am so excited. There's one. Oh, okay. Two. Okay. Alrighty. So I got a few items. Yeah, those are the items I got. I went ahead and picked out a bag, a mystery bag, and I bought enough to get another bag. So I got this bag for free. This is a nice size bag, travel bag. So I got, that was free. I'm gonna toss it over there for right now. Let's start with the things I know I purchased. I purchased a nail polish. He's still texting me, guys, so I'm looking. This is it. It's in gray. I don't know how to pronounce that. It looks Italian. I picked this up. I needed enough to get that free bag. I was 3 cents short of getting that free bag. So I went ahead and picked up this nail polish. This is the only color that was available. It was $1 something, so that's why I picked it up. But I don't have a gray nail polish. So there we go. Got that. Next. I got some palettes. I got a face palette. Throw this away. I got Ofra's. This one is the Miami Benvenidos in Miami. It's a face palette. Let's see, can I pull the, yeah, there we go. Those are some pretty colors. Pretty colors. So there's 2 highlighters and 2 blush and maybe 2 bronzer. Let's see if I can read. Well, I can definitely read the names. They're so big on this plastic. Let's see. We've got Magic City and Ocean Drive. I don't have either one of those highlighters. Vice and 305. That's the area code. 305. And then, yeah. Cafecito and Dale. D-A-L-E with a little... Anyway, got that. I used to live in Miami, so, but that's not the reason I bought it. But I bought it because it was a face palette, and sure I needed another face palette. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and all of these, this whole box, like I said, came to $51 and change. So this eyeshadow palette is Berries and Cream Dreams by Violet Voss. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? Those are gorgeous shades. Right up my alley. I'm not going to swatch any of them now. But, oh, that's pretty. I am going to enjoy that. I don't think I need to keep that packaging. And then I got Wander Beauty. Let me open. It's got a little bit of tape on here, or a little tab. Here we go. This one is called Trailblazer. Yep, this one's Trailblazer. Does it say? Yeah, it says it on the back. When I got BoxyCharm, I used to get the full-size BoxyCharm. I used to love Wander Beauty palettes. Oh, that is gorgeous. This looks so much prettier in person. That is gorgeous. I think my friend Shannon from Moody Girl Beauty just recently picked up this palette. Oh, that is really pretty. So, yeah. I'm happy with my palettes. I will throw this box away. I don't see the need to keep it. And I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is a contour stick. I'm trying to open it. That didn't work. Let's try the other end. Oh, nice. Is it? No, it's not magnetic. I got the color Fawn. I am gonna swatch this. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I wanted a contour stick that was not real dark. I want to, I think, use this on my nose. But yeah, I am very happy with that. Thank you, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it tells you how to contour here. Let's see. Do you remember when your palettes used to come with the little booklets? Showed you how to put the eyeshadows on? Yeah, here we go. This is how to contour. I think I already know how to contour. But there we go. I think I need to keep that. So, got those. Now, let me move these out of the way because, let me move my box. I got a bag, a mystery bag. So we're going to see what's in it. Oh, I had no clue those were diamonds on there. Is that not me? Oh my gosh. Diamonds. These are like, it's supposed to be like velvet. Like crushed velvet. Maybe it is. I don't know. Kind of cheap crushed velvet, but, and then the diamonds. There we go. Oh, ooh. I have no clue what's in this. I got it. I'll show you. I'll show you. This is a cool bag. I'm going to hang on to that bag. I'm going to lay it over there. All right. Well, first thing I saw was I got a Super Shock shadow. I recently said in my makeup basket I only had one Super Shock shadow I needed to use up. Pretty sure this is an eyeshadow. Yep. No, this one's a highlighter. It's smaller. I have a highlighter in my basket. I'm gonna grab my makeup basket. This is a normal size, so it's a smaller one. It is a highlighter. I love ColourPop Super Shock highlighters. They don't dry out. This one is in Blast Off. Oh, okay. Ooh, very, oh my gosh, do you see that? Let's put it right here. That is very blingy. That is very pretty. I'm not upset with that at all. Ooh. I got an eyeshadow palette, it looks like. Life of the Party, Shades of Sean. Shades of Sean. Life of the Party. I'm dropping it, sorry. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's really pretty. That's a nice neutral. Wow. That's all you need. That's a great travel palette. I mean, if you travel with it, you're going to always have just this one look, but it's great. Great little palette. I'm not upset with that. I got a Kiss and Smink lip oil. I've just recently been like really getting into lip oils, wanting more lip oils. All right, this one looks opaque. Did I get a Kiss and Smink lately? Recently? Recently? I can't remember. Oh no, that's nice. I mean, it does have color. It smells like raspberries. This reminds me of my childhood. This is something from my childhood, either kid makeup or I don't know. I could just sit and smell this. It brings back happy memories. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that so much. Now, got 3 other things. Ooh, Wonder. Oh, Tony Moly Wonder. It's a ceramide mochi toner. I'm happy with that. Look at that. That's a nice size toner. And then I got, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioner. I love this conditioner. All right. And then a Ciate London Everyday Vacay. I think this is a, sunscreen? No, it's a primer. Well, it's primer. It's in very small print. Get in here. Hydrating and Soothing Primer. Yeah, no, there's no sunscreen in it. It's just a primer. Nice. Wow. This had 6 items in it. 3 makeup. Well, I guess a primer would be considered makeup. 4 makeup, a toner, and a hair. Perfect. Perfect. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with everything I got in this little bag. So that was a good purchase. I think this little bag cost $16, and then everything else, it all added up to, like I said, with the nail polish, $51.97, I think, because I needed 3 cents or something like that. I'm very happy with my palettes. I'm very happy with everything I picked up. I've got a new foundation now, and I'm always happy with candles. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm glad I purchased these things. I am just waiting for my Ciate London mystery box to get here. But like I said, it's not even showing that it's shipped. Will it be here before Christmas? I don't know. I think that's kind of sucky. If you're going to sell something, you need to get it out there. I see people opening and filming their ColourPop mystery boxes. I think Ciate London needs to get theirs in the mail. Just my opinion. Anyway, so again, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.